What do Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson, Gloria Estefan, and LeBron James all have in common? You give up? All three celebrities have homes here in beautiful Florida. Hi, I'm Chris Hurt. As a longtime resident, it's no surprise to me that so many celebrities would choose to make Florida their home. But here's something that may surprise you. Aside from their location, all three of these homes have something else in common. They're all built with concrete block. In fact, concrete block is now the #1 construction material for single-family homes in the state of Florida. But why? Well, in this video, you're going to meet three different people: a homeowner, an architect, and a builder. Now, they all three have different reasons for choosing concrete block, but they all rely on block. Let's find out why.
Hey, Chris, nice to see you.
Good to see you again, too. Every time I come here, I'm more impressed. It's a beautiful spot.
Thank you, we're thrilled. We love our home.
Good. What were you looking for? Can I ask you that when you first got here?
Sure, really just a place to have a foundation for my family. I have a young family, wanted something strong, something safe, something really versatile.
Right. Well, let's go inside and take a closer look, can we?
Great, love to.
I see something new every time I come to visit you here. And here we are back at this beautiful, beautiful entryway again. It must have been a lot of fun seeing this place go up and making all your design choices.
It was great fun. I had a great time. I surrounded myself with a great team, a great builder, a great architect, and we really got to make the home come to life.
How did you know that you wanted to use concrete block, or did you know?
I don't think I did. I knew the design that I wanted. This Mediterranean concrete block lends itself to the design itself. I knew I wanted something strong and I wanted something safe. But at the end of the day, I really just wanted a warm, inviting home.
You bring up a good point. It's warm and inviting. You accomplished that, but it is strong and safe, very versatile. It lent itself to this design very well. How involved was your architect in that decision-making process to go with concrete block?
They knew my priorities. They knew what I wanted to see. They knew the design I was trying to achieve. They knew that I wanted to, this is the home I was going to raise my family in, probably raise my grandchildren here too, have them come visit. So they knew I wanted something that would last and be strong.
It's strong. We live in the state of Florida, so hurricanes are always a concern, right?
Hurricanes, termites, concrete block lends itself to protect in all those situations.
Yeah, you are very knowledgeable about it.
I am now.
Thank you so much for giving us a few minutes of your time, letting us visit again. And if it's all right with you, I'm just going to tell people that I live here.
You absolutely can. You're welcome anytime.
Thank you. So Jen says that she was influenced by her architect in her decision to build with concrete block. So we thought we'd pay a visit to the Nasrallah Architectural Group and speak with Mark Nasrallah to find out firsthand from an architect what he thinks about building with concrete block. Mark, we just had a great visit with a local homeowner who has a beautiful 2-story Mediterranean-style home. Wish you could see it. Just terrific. She had her reasons for choosing concrete block construction, but she also said that her architect was fairly involved in that decision-making process. So I thought I'd ask you, straight from the horse's mouth, why concrete block?
Well, it's good to hear that other professionals in our industry have the same beliefs that we do about concrete block, or as we call it, a concrete masonry unit, or a CMU. It is a fantastic product that we use, throughout all of our designs, and this homeowner obviously had done her homework and understands, the benefits of concrete block, and, recommended or requested that her architect go down that path, or vice versa. Block allows us first, with a Mediterranean design or a lot of designs, to apply the finish to both floors of the structure. One thing that we look at is in our building code, when you have dissimilar materials, we have to provide what's called construction joints. And to a lot of people, that is that very unsightly horizontal joint that goes all around a house that everybody goes, well, what am I going to do with this?
Right.
And if we do the structure entirely out of concrete block, we're able to apply our finish full floors without that line. We still have to provide what's called expansion joints, but it really frees up the expression of the house so we can pick up that Spanish colonial and Mediterranean style.
Right, now that's as it concerns a Mediterranean style influence, but concrete block is very versatile, yes?
Oh, very much so, and we use it throughout our designs in all kind of styles. And it offers so much in both durability, strength, just overall mass of construction, and provides us with a non-combustible structure, which helps in insurance rates, termites, just the overall maintenance of a house.
It's a very good point to make. Is it fair to say that you're a fan of concrete block construction then?
Absolutely. Without concrete block, we would not be able to do and create the designs that you see that we do on a daily basis. So, you know, myself, our firm, everyone here, our structural engineers, all of our consultants are definitely fans of the material.
Great. Mark Nasrallah, thank you very much for your time.
You're very welcome.
And expertise.
Sure.
So we've met a homeowner and we've met an architect. Only one person left, and that's the man who brings it all together, the builder. In this case, Mike Brannon of Brannon Construction, who's got a beautiful lakefront home under construction right now, and if I'm not mistaken, that looks like concrete block. Mike, thanks for taking a little time to talk with us today.
Thanks for coming out to the site.
Sure, this place looks like it's coming along pretty nicely.
Yes, thank you.
Listen, we are on a fact-finding mission. We've talked to a couple of people today, a homeowner and an architect, both of whom love concrete block construction for different reasons. But to get a real clear picture, we need to talk to the last person here in the puzzle, and that's the builder themselves. So from your perspective, what are the advantages of building with concrete block?
It's my preferred product. It's durable and it's weather resistant both during construction and for my finished product.
Tell me about your relationship with the home buyer and the architect. There's got to be a dynamic there. Do you find yourself in a position of having to educate both of those parties on the value of concrete block construction?
In the beginning of every new project, we discuss the pros and cons of different products, along with the economic benefits of all of them. Concrete block is our preferred construction method.
What about customer satisfaction?
That is always a plus. The product does not deteriorate on us. There's no structural breakdown in it.
Right, so very few callbacks?
There's none.
Oh, that's great, that's super. I'm gonna put you on the spot for just a moment. If you're building your own home, and you may have, I don't know, but if you're building your own home from the ground up, are you likely to use concrete block?
My personal home is concrete block, and my new office will be a 2-story concrete block.
2 stories?
Yes.
So you're block strong from top to bottom?
Yes, we are.
So does that give you another advantage in terms of aesthetics?
It does. It allows us to have no dissimilar materials requiring expansion and control joints.
Right.
Gives a very clean exterior finish.
And I asked that question specifically because our architect actually echoed that same sentiment earlier today as well. Well, it sounds like a clean sweep to me. Our homeowner loves living in a concrete block home, and the architect loves designing with concrete block. Sounds like builders love to build with concrete block as well. It's a clean sweep all the way through. Mike, thank you very much.
Well, thanks for coming out and visiting us on the site. We'd love to show off what we do.
My pleasure. Hey, before I go, I need your advice on something. I see something over here that I'd like to do on my home. You available?
Yes.
Now, obviously, we understand not everyone can build their own custom home. But whatever situation you're in, building or buying, we hope you've learned that concrete block is the way to go. As you've just heard from our homeowner, our architect, and our builder, old or new, big or small, a home built with concrete block is safe, beautiful, and more durable. Block strong.